Everybody fucking jump!
Alright everybody, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this show underway, get you guys a little bit of box action. Red and white. Air Jordan 1985 box. Let you see, guys see the bottom as well. Got you a little bit of label action. This one reads the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White University Red and Black, aka the Jordan 1 Retro OG Heritage. This is a reverse of the Chicago colorway. Let's check it out, guys. My first time seeing the shoe with you. Get this light out. Materials on this shoe, same premium. Everything seems great. Get black laces in the shoe. 2 pair of extra laces, white and red. Not pretty good materials. Everything feels okay. You know what you guys think about these? These are sitting as well. It's the new season of ducks. They're everywhere now. I don't know how the Jordan 1 fell off, but it works for me because I get to pick them up all for a good price. Seems like the Jordan 1 has stalled out and the 4 has completely replaced it. It's the #1 Jordan. Let's get a spin with this light on. Stop touching the shoe before I mess it up. I really don't like white shoes myself, but if you're into the reverse Chicago colorway, like I said, I own the Chicago's many pairs, so I guess I'd rather just wear those than this one. Maybe that's what everybody's saying. It's not a bad shoe in my opinion. Get you guys some tongue action. Little red toe box. White backdrop. Red Nike swoosh. Black Jordan logo. Red heel. Normal standard Jordan 1 stuff. Don't really like the white midsoles, as you guys know, but this has a white midsole, red bottom. So I think the only thing that really saves this shoe, they actually gave it the red bottom. You know that you guys go for this shoe, or you've gone for this shoe, is it sitting in your area? Said the Jordan 1s might be finished. Let me give you guys a look at what the shoe's going to look like when it's on your foot. Guys, you know what time it is. Let me know what shoes you want to see in the next video, what shoes you're buying. Everybody make sure, stay safe. Have a nice day.
Everybody fucking jump!